Arabian Sea is the northwestern part of Indian Ocean, which covers about 38,62,000 square kilometers. The sea has borders with Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Iran, Oman, UAE, and Yemen, and two African nations like Djibouti and Somalia. So this is the map showing Arabian Sea location, and these are the countries which share boundary with Arabian Sea. This is the Google Earth image of Arabian Sea. So climate over and around the sea is controlled by the monsoon winds. So the
Go to next. Come to point, climate change.
effects on Arabian Sea due to climate change and the adjoining countries. So the first effect is the shift in SST and EP. SST is the surface seawater temperature and EP is the evaporation precipitation. A distinct shift in the EP is observed and accompanied by net cooling of SST. The shift in SST and EP is synchronous with the change in surface.
Which year this was published? Saraswat paper, NIO. Which year? You have not quoted at the reference. It is there on the net. We have seen that paper. I know Rajiv Saraswat very well personally. Go to next slide.
This is a second effect. Shift in winter monsoon, phytoplankton bloom.
Next. So why you couldn't put from work of, okay, you tell me something about, I had sent you all the links, which are very important links, very important study resources. You see that they are working on that. Lamont Doherty Oceanographic Research Center in USA. Joachim Goes and Helga Gomes. Have you seen that web link and their work on phytoplankton productivity and climate change in Arabian Sea?
So that I mentioned
No, they have given detailed maps of phytoplankton blooms, Noctiluca, killing the fish, leading to fish mortality. Somalia it happened, fish mortality due to lack of oxygen in water. Go to next slide. You have missed a very important resource. This is not the way. You see that the entire composition of slide, if you do like slides like this, then it will create a bad impression. The composition of slide shows that you don't have any idea of presentation of the PowerPoints. 85% of your slide is blank. You simply have increased one slide. There are hardly 15 words on the slide. This is not the way to do it. And the year has to be put. Year of research papers are always available. You will all get it right now. Go next.
This have resulted into increasing incidence of tropical cyclones in Arabian Sea.
Okay, fine. So what is the work that you can use for National Institute of Oceanography? Especially experts on Arabian Sea tropical cyclones like Prasanna Kumar, who had actually lectured here for 2 years for ecology students. This year I couldn't get him. What is his contribution to climate change and the increase in frequency and intensity of Arabian Sea tropical cyclones as from published papers of NIO? When did you select this topic? Yeah, so for 60 days, for any intelligent student, Prasanna Kumar's work is easily seen, easily visible. He is the authority on Arabian Sea tropical cyclone, and he has shown how increasing SST is responsible for formation of this extreme weather phenomenon. You have missed now very important reference. Prasanna Kumar's work, there are other people also who are working in NIO. Next. What is OMZ? Yeah, how it develops.